What up everyone, this is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0905. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first easiest way to fix this is just go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot settings until you see this pop up. Click additional troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. There's literally a troubleshooters to basically fix these errors that you may be getting for your Windows device. If this doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is type in services in your search bar, open this up, type in Windows or W until you see something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Right click into it, click into properties, and if it's running, stop it and start it again. And also, if it's running, you can right click into it and do restart. If it's not running, like I think this one isn't running, for example, you can see as an example, start it and then change the process from manual to automatic. Basically do that, press cancel, okay and apply, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have that Windows Update error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash it up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.